Stop the video real quick. So now we checked 5 and we determined that it was too small. And so now we're going to choose n to be larger. So if we choose it to be 6, plug 6 in here. Then we get 5 times 6 is 30 plus 8, so we have 38. But remember, we're still trying to get 48, so we need to go bigger. So we can try 7. 7 is bigger, so 5 times 7 plus 8, and that's going to get us to 43, which is still too small. And then so we'll try 8. 5 times 8 plus 8, so that's 48. And so now we know that that was our answer. N equals 8 is the solution. So n equals 8. Sometimes there won't be an obvious solution, so we need to estimate a solution using a table. So for instance, in this one, we have negative 9x minus 5 equals 28. If we try negative 1 for x, we could say, well, maybe x is negative 1. So that would be 9 minus 5, so that's 4. So that's clearly too small. So negative 1 is not going to work. Let's try, well actually, being that this is a negative number, we actually need this to be smaller, so even more negative. So let's try negative 2. So negative 9 times negative 2 minus 5. So now we have 18 minus 5, which is 13. So we're getting closer, so we need a smaller number. Let's skip one. Let's try negative 4. So negative 9 times negative 4, oops, not equals, minus 5 minus 5. So this is 9, 18, 36 minus 5 is 31. So actually we went too far, so I shouldn't have jumped there. So let's go back. So negative 3. So negative 9 times negative 3 minus 5. So now we have 27 minus 5 is 22. So we now realize that this is going to be a decimal answer or a fractional answer, somewhere in between negative 3 and negative 4. It looks to be, so we need to find 28. 28 is going to be closer to this one than this one. So I would say, we could say about, x is about negative 4. If we wanted to get even more closer, we could say maybe even negative 3.7 or something like that. Okay, and that is it for the video.